Well, a bipartisan budget bill that could have a big impact on Michigan's fight against COVID-19 is headed to the governor's desk tonight.
And it comes as the state reaches a sobering milestone. With 6,000 new cases, there have been more than 1 million confirmed cases in Michigan since the pandemic began in March of 2020. About 10% of the population has been infected.
But terms of the new $70 billion spending plan would ban state agencies from requiring vaccines. It would also ban state and local health officials from imposing school mask mandates.
That would affect mask orders in Wayne, Oakland, and Washtenaw counties. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner is digging into the politics behind the numbers.
Governor's already hinting she has her line item veto pen ready. The Oakland County executive was the first here in Metro Detroit to impose mask mandates with the return of school. Get this, inside this budget, it would prevent those from being enforced.
I wish the legislature would just get out of the business of public health, frankly, and let the public health people make these decisions like we have in Oakland County.
The budget passed the House 99-6. The Republican House negotiator gave this perspective.
I fully admit this budget is not perfect, but we live in a time of divided government. This is a time to focus on what we can come together and accomplish, and not what keeps us apart.
Baked into the budget, a ban on issuing or enforcing mask mandates, even on the local level. No state agency can impose a vaccination requirement in the future. The governor hinting she can use the line item veto.
We will do our task of going through line by line of the budget to see what, is enforceable, what might not be enforceable, and then I will do my action and get it signed and make some changes if necessary.
Also written into the budget, if the governor or her administration imposes any future COVID restrictions, like limits on public gatherings, a full written report explaining why must be issued within 7 days. The Oakland County executive says no problem about transparency. The county has a robust website that does that.
The legislature feels like they want more data. That's fine, but just don't play politics with public health. That's what I would say.
There's still another $10 billion on the table in federal COVID relief funds that the legislature and governor need to negotiate and spend. In Oakland County, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Thank you much, Jim.